Looking for a powerful gaming PC that doesn't take up your entire desk? Well, mini PCs have come a long way, and in 2026, they're more powerful than ever. From Ryzen 7 powerhouses to budget-friendly gaming options, today I'm breaking down the top 5 best gaming mini PCs in 2026. I'll cover performance, features, pros, and cons, and help you decide which one is perfect for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1. Starting off strong, we have the ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1, a compact beast built for serious performance. This mini PC is designed for users who want both gaming and productivity. The Ryzen 7 processor delivers smooth performance in games like GTA 5, Fortnite, and even some AAA titles on medium to high settings. AMD Ryzen 7735HS up to 4.75 GHz, 24 GB LPDDR5 RAM, 512 GB SSD, triple 4K display support, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth. Pros: excellent CPU performance, fast LPDDR5 RAM, compact and premium design, great multitasking capability. Cons: integrated graphics limit ultra gaming. Storage could be bigger for gamers. If you want a balanced mini PC for gaming and work, this is a solid all-arounder. Number 2. KAMRUI Pinova P1. Next up is the KAMRUI Pinova P1, a budget-friendly option that still packs decent performance. This is more of an entry-level gaming mini PC. It handles light gaming like Minecraft, Valorant, and CSGO quite well, but struggles with heavier AAA games. AMD Ryzen 5 4300U, 16 GB RAM, 256 GB SSD, triple 4K support, USB-C, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Pros: affordable price, energy efficient, good for casual gaming, compact and portable. Cons: limited GPU performance, smaller storage. Perfect for students or casual gamers on a budget. Number 3. KAMRUI E3B. Coming in at number 3, we have the KAMRUI E3B, offering a nice step up in performance. This mini PC delivers smoother gameplay and better multitasking compared to entry-level options. It's great for esports titles and moderate gaming workloads. AMD Ryzen 7 7430U up to 4.3 GHz, 16 GB DDR4 RAM, 512 GB SSD, Wi-Fi 6 and BT 5.2, triple 4K display. Pros: solid performance upgrade, good storage capacity, reliable connectivity. Cons: DDR4 instead of DDR5. Not ideal for heavy AAA gaming. A great mid-range mini gaming PC for everyday gamers. Number 4. KAMRUI Pinova P2. Now we have one of the most powerful options on this list, the KAMRUI Pinova P2. This is a multitasking monster. With 32 GB RAM and a powerful Intel Core CPU, it handles gaming, streaming, and editing with ease. Intel Core i5-12600H, 12 cores, 16 threads, 32 GB DDR4 RAM, 1 TB SSD, triple 4K display, Wi-Fi 6 and BT 5.2. Pros: high RAM capacity, strong multi-core performance, large storage, great for creators. Cons: slightly higher price, still limited by integrated graphics. If you want power for gaming plus content creation, this is a top-tier pick. Number 5. KAMRUI Hyper H1. Lastly, we have the KAMRUI Hyper H1, arguably one of the best mini gaming PCs in this list. This mini PC delivers flagship-level performance in a tiny form factor. It's excellent for gaming, multitasking, and even some creative workloads. AMD Ryzen 7735HS, 24 GB LPDDR5 RAM, 1 TB NVMe SSD, triple 4K display, Wi-Fi 6 and BT 5.2. Pros: top-tier Ryzen performance, fast RAM and large SSD, excellent overall value, future-proof specs. Cons: no dedicated GPU, premium pricing. If you want the best overall mini gaming PC, this is the one to get. And that's a wrap on the top 5 best gaming mini PCs in 2026. To quickly recap, best overall, KAMRUI Hyper H1, perfect all-around performance. Best performance, ACEMAGICIAN Kron Mini K1, a powerhouse for gaming and multitasking. Best budget option, KAMRUI Pinova P1, great for casual gaming without breaking the bank. All the links are in the description if you want to check prices or grab one for yourself. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you won't miss my future tech reviews. Which mini PC would you pick for your setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I love hearing what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.